Today I'm going to tell you how to find Google Form in mobile. Many of you are asking, this kind of Google Form application is not available in Play Store. So how can we start in mobile? This is quite simple. You can go to your Chrome browser and then search in Google. Write down here Google Form. Then click on this Google Form sign in. Here you click. See, this one has come. This Google Form has come. Now you can type anything like if I'm asking for student details, like student details, you write here student details and save also student details. Automatically this will come. Now see here you can write something like what is the student name. Student name you can write here student name. Here you will get many options: short answer, multiple choice, check boxes, etc. So student name, this is I choose the short answer, and next one is you can add something like class. Here you can choose like multiple choice, like 5, 6, 7, 8, so something like that. So I'm taking only these two. In detail, I'll tell you means after some time this complete training on Google Form, how to do it. So here I'm going to, so here I'm telling you only how to find in mobile. Now see, go to the responses. See, this has come. Now preview it. See, in preview you have seen this student name. Write down, suppose uh, ABC class, suppose say 5. Now submit it. Submit. Then go back to your that Google form. So responses is basically the user section, and this Google form is made for admin section. So in responses, see, one response has come, but how to check it? Simply click on this one green button is there. So there you can check your detail. This is actually Google Sheet. It will go to your Google Sheet. Now check in Google Sheet. See, here you can get timestamp, means where that user has responded here, like 11:03 on 22nd May. Student name, what I have put here, like ABC, chosen class 5. So whenever user will put some values in that responses, in that preview button, in the preview section, all these things will come into your database. So this is the way you can do. You can check your database. You can create a form like that. So complete training on Google Form I will give in my next video. So you can check, and one by one session will come in depth analysis from Google Form. You can do many things, many add-ons. You can add many add-ons, and you can reach many people in a very easy way. You can track attendance, you can track so many things, you can do many things. So all these things I will tell you in my next videos. So at present, thank you.